to another video. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 banned cars. We're going to add 2 banned cars that should be banned and not banned yet in the USA. The Toyota Hilux represent the SR5 Toyota, but there's some differences. The Toyota Hilux was available in US around the 60s when the chicken law came into the effect. It was a beloved truck for the Americans, but the chicken law added 25% tax to light-duty trucks. The Hilux was a light-duty truck. Toyota started manufacturing in the US to avoid this law, and it did not work. Yes, you heard me, it did not work.
Bruh.
Toyota started partnering up with other automakers like Winnebago. Toyota started making Tacomas for the US as a compact pickup truck. Tacoma was very similar to the Hilux during the time, but the differences were the Tacoma allowed the Toyota to get around the rules and regulations that the Hilux couldn't get around. Hilux has been away from the American markets for so long that it does not conform to the American emissions and safety standards anymore. Toyota could create an American Hilux that's made in America and that meets the standards, but it will impact the sales of the Tacoma since its first introduction. Tacoma has changed and become very different from the Hilux to suit American requirements. The Hilux was sold here from 1969 model year to the 1995 model year as the Toyota pickup, so 5 generations of the Hilux were sold in the US, which was quickly replaced by the Tacoma, which Toyota specifically designed for the US market. The Hilux comes equipped with a range of engine sizes from 2L to 4L that are diesel-powered, outputs a range of horsepower between 139 and 235. That's crazy. The reception of the Hilux by customers is that the truck is well-built, reliable, fully qualified for even the toughest of use. While there are many other trucks in Toyota catalog that are basically equivalent to the Hilux, it's still unfortunate that the Hilux never made it to American markets, and sequentially because of its age and the generations are buried from importation. If y'all messed with the video, please subscribe and drop a comment down below saying you subscribe, and I'm gonna comment back, and then I'm gonna drop the other 4 videos explaining the other cars. They are very dangerous.